to the tender. Hi, everybody.
He's bedridden like my mother and say, dang it, I never made it.
Right.
Chau. Chau.
Chau.
P-I-A-N-G.
They carry tons and tons of sand on the river that is used in everything and all around the world. The Mekong is over 3,000 kilometers long.
And you notice on the left-hand side.
There we go. Oh good, there are people to help you up and down the stairs. I don't mind going up, but down is entirely different. Here are our Trishaws.
Really?
They look really uncomfortable.
Yeah.
You're supposed to sit on the cushion and put your leg there. This is a practice.
One by one, yes. So
Good job, Maxima. And she's off.
I see why you have to wear.
Yeah.
And off we go. This isn't too bad. It's not too bumpy yet. As long as you don't get thrown out, right? Red light.
10.000 một trái 10.000, bao ngon bao ngọt, 2 tới 15.000.
No.
Silk weaving first. Now that's what I call looms. And here are the cocoons from the silkworms. Hi, little silkworms, where are you?
I was worried I was going to be
Incredible. They get the dye out of those, whatever it's called.
This one is so famous in this area. So when we are,
They dye everything by hand.
so you complete the generations.
This is a family business for 100 years, different generations. You can get 800 meters of silk from one cocoon.
Tiny one. So you can see, yeah? So it's three of them. 1804. 20 years ago, he designed this one. So it's considered like a revolution.
They feed the design into the loom. We have 60 machines operating here. That pattern is for longevity. That's what I need. You can hear the loom. Oh my gosh. These are all the cushion covers, which is sort of what I was thinking. If I could find the right color.
Oh, wow.
You get 2 pieces for $5. They're beautiful. I need them like I need a new hole in my head or
My husband, see what he's looking at.
them. So pretty. Probably snag it right off the bat. But even though it says petite, they're one size. It looks very big. And off I go to the next stop, which is rattan weaving, in case I need a mat. Some other silk reading place. You can hear the noise. That's Leslie in front of me. Hey, Leslie. Hello. Going to school.
Bán đen xử lý hầm cầu, 10 đường ống, 1 tẩy lòng máy giặt. Bán đen.
Here are the rattan matte looms. They're really beautiful. What if they have small ones to use? Another shopping experience. Wow. Love the scarves, but I do not need one. All different kinds. You're supposed to go and listen to how they do it all, but I don't care. These are all tablecloths. All the dyed rattan. It's a nice rhythm to the looms. And what's interesting is these people must be deaf, that there's nothing to protect their hearing. This is what the durian fruit looks like. You saw my ice cream, but this is why the fruit, when they cut into it, it's supposed to be a really, really stinky smell, which it's okay, I don't have to know. Got mats drying out here. Banana. Interesting little village. That was it. Now it's back to the ship. I'm going to assume that's all water hyacinth. They're all going on the longer tour. That is my cabin right there. Lucy, I'm home. Notice on deck 1, the lowest deck, it's only French windows.